Hello everyone, welcome. Today, not in today's newspaper. Today's newspaper is actually Thursday, November the 25th, 2021. No, in today's newspaper we have no additional, so I have decided to solve the edition of Monday, November the 22nd, 2021. And we have here three puzzles left. Letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the tectonic with 1 star. Alright, and this letter Sudoku will be number, I believe, 3736. 3736. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Yes, 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku, this will be a 1 star. A 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, I need more time. I think I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. We have a W. Oh, wait. 27 printed digits. Not letters. Those letters that I can use are 9 letters. The U, the B, the W, the D, the S, the G, the N, the I, and the A. Alright, so let's get started. The W in the last row, the W in the row above, so that the row above, the only place for the W should be here. Then 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a D. We see a D, no D in these 2 boxes. There, D, no D in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the D. Should be there. Then the A in this row. The A in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the A should be there. Yeah, the U in the first column, the U in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the U should be there. 4 missing letters in this row. One of the missing letter is the U and the D. Yeah, U and the D are missing in in this row. We have a U and a D in this big square, so no U and a D in these 2 boxes. The U and a D goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, U and a D. We see here U, no U there. U should be there, and the D goes there. Then 2 missing letters in this row. For the letters, N is missing, and the letter S is missing. And we have an N in the third column, so no N in this box. The N goes in that box, and the S goes here. 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters, the G is missing. The G and the B. The G and the B. We have a G there, no G there. G should be here, and the B goes there. 2 missing letters in this row. For the letters, the B is missing. and the N is missing. BN. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Alright. Alright. B and N. One box is missing in this big square for the letter. N is missing. No. We have an N there. B and an N. This one should be the letter U. U. Yes, the U. Alright. Okay. So we have the B in the last column, the B in that column. So the column between, the only place for the B should be there. And we have 3 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the N is missing, the G is missing, and the S is missing. NGS. We have an N and a G in this column, so no N and a G in this box. The N and the G goes in those 2 boxes, and then a G. So 1 box left in this big square for letter S. So 3 missing letters. D is missing. D. The W is missing. And the A is missing. D, A, W. We have a D and A in this second row. So no D and A in this box. The D and the A goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit, 1 letter is missing in this column for the letter W. Alright. So we have a B in this row, B in that row. So no row between the middle row, the only place for the B should be there. B in the 3rd column, B in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, the only place for the B should be there. 2 missing letters in the 1st column for the letters A is missing. 3rd column, the A is missing, and the letter I is missing. We have an A there, so no A there. A should be here, and I goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters W, and the N is missing. We have a W there, so no W there. W should be here, and the N goes there. Now we have an A there, so this box can't be A anymore. That box should be an A, and this box should be a D. So we have solved this word in 8 minutes. And the word in Dutch is dwangbuis. If you translate this in English, straight jacket, I believe. Yeah, it reminds me with Jack Nicholson in the film, in the movie, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. Cuckoo's nest, yeah. With the straight jacket, yes. Classical film, yes. Movie. 1 box left in this 2nd column. For the letter D is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the letters A is missing. And the S is missing. A-S. Alright. Okay. A. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hmm. So I'm scanning. BB. Okay. DD. We have a pair. We have a pair. We have a U and a B in this row. We have a U and a B in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the U and the B should be in those two boxes. As a pair, U and the B. UB40, yes. Two missing letters in the second row for the letters. G is missing and the S is missing. G and the S. Let me mark those. G and S. The other pair in this big square are the letters I is missing. And the letter N is missing. I and N. I and N. In. Okay. So we have an N in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box cannot be an N anymore. This box should be a G. And that box should be an N. Okay. Now we have a G there. So this box can't be G anymore. That box should be a G. And this box should be an S. Alright. Well, we have a pair. G and a S in the third row, G and S in the second row. So in the first row, the only three places for the G and S should be in these three boxes. But look, we have a G and S in the middle column, so no G and S in this box. The G and S goes in those two boxes as a pair. G and S is missing here. So this box, we have a pair. This is the second pair. The first pair, the I and the N should be here. We have an I here, so this box should be an N, and that box should be an I. One box left in this big square for the letter N. Okay. Yeah. The B. UB40. Yes, UB40. We have a B here, so this box can't be B anymore. That box should be a B, and this box should be U. Now we have a B there, so this box can't be B anymore. That box should be a B, and this box should be an N. Yeah. The U. Alright. Okay. So we have an N in this row, the N in the middle row. So the row below, the only three places for the N should be here, or there. We see the N, no N there, here, and no N there. The only place for the N should be there. Okay. Three missing letters. One of the missing letter in this column is the letter G. We have a G there, no G there. Here G, no G there. So the only place for the G should be here. One box left in this first row for the letter S. So we have S in this column, S in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the S should be there. One box left in this column for the letter I. I is missing. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. D is missing. And W is missing. Yeah, W. The D and the W. We have a D there, no D there. D should be here, and the W goes there. All right. Yeah. we have a D in this row, D in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places for the D should be there or there. We see there D, no D there, D should be here. Yeah. Two missing letters. Those missing letters in this column are the letters A is missing and the U is missing. We see here U, no U there, U should be here, and the A goes there. Now we have A there, so this box can be A anymore, that box should be an A, and this box should be an S. S in this row, S in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the S should be there. One box left in this row for the letter I. I in this row, I in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the I should be there. One box left in this big square for the letter W is missing, okay. W in this row, W in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places for the W should be here. Oh, there we see there, W, no W there, W should be here. One box left in this row for the letter G is missing here, the G. Yeah, the G is missing. Two missing letters in this big square, the final letters. For the letters, A is missing. And the letter U is missing. We have an A there, no A there. A should be here, and the U goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this. And I've solved this in 17 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the second puzzle. It will be a 2-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye. For now.